Are you intrigued by the enigmatic mysteries etched in the ancient lore of Greek mythology, particularly the intriguing tale of Pandora's box? This alluring relic, drenched in history, is not merely a box. It's an emblem, a forewarning tale, a captivating conundrum. Pandora's box, an unassuming entity, encapsulates a narrative of curiosity and consequence, of hope and despair that has enraptured thinkers throughout millennia. It's a saga that beckons the inquisitive and dares the intrepid. Are you ready to hear more about this story? Let's dive into it. Once upon a time, in the realm of ancient Greece, there lived a gifted artisan named Hephaestus. Known for his unparalleled craftsmanship, he was commissioned by Zeus, the king of the gods, to create a magnificent gift for humanity, Pandora. Pandora, blessed with beauty and charm, was fashioned from clay by Hephaestus's skilled hands. Adorned with grace and curiosity, she was to be presented as a bride to Epimetheus, brother of Prometheus, who had angered Zeus by giving fire to mortals. Curiosity danced in Pandora's eyes as she beheld the exquisite box bestowed upon her by the gods. Adorned with intricate patterns and adorned with jewels, it emanated an aura of mystery. Before her wedding, Zeus gave her strict instructions, never to open the box. Intrigued by the enigmatic container, Pandora's resolve wavered. She could not resist the temptation to peer inside. With trembling hands, she lifted the lid, unaware of the consequences of her actions. As the lid creaked open, a cacophony of sounds filled the air. Out poured a swarm of troubles and misfortunes. Disease, sorrow, greed, envy, and all manner of evils that had been confined within the box by the gods. Pandora, horrified by what she had unleashed, desperately tried to close the lid, but it was too late. The evils had already been set loose upon the world, spreading like a plague across the land. In despair, Pandora closed the lid, trapping one thing within: hope. Though the world was now fraught with hardship and suffering, hope remained as a glimmering light in the darkness, a beacon for humanity to cling to in times of despair. From that day forth, Pandora's box became a cautionary tale, a reminder of the consequences of curiosity and the power of hope in the face of adversity. And though the evils of the world may never be fully contained, the flame of hope continues to burn bright, guiding humanity through even the darkest of times.